Oh, I have just got done doing some work. Now, I accidentally, like an idiot, bought parts for an AMD65, and I don't know anything about AKs, so AMD65 parts don't fit on an AK. I was like, fuck, well, let me just see what other... No, I like this. I like this, and I want to use it on my AK. So instead of being a humongous faggot and, modifying the AK, which is dumb, like, I want to be able to put normal AK stuff. I don't want to put half-assed AMD65 stuff on it. I'm like, okay, what do I have to do? Well, this handguard is like it's the same length. So all I did was shave it down by, I think it was a 1/16 of an inch total space. I can't actually remember, but now move forward. And then smash this guy down on it. Oh, look at that. The AMD65 handguard fits on my AK. Just come on, get on her, faggot. There we go. It's just a little fiddly. Mine goes a little bit too far back, so then the little latch doesn't get in place. Look at that! Of course, it slides up a little bit. I might need to figure out. I think with the cleaning rod in, it shouldn't go too far. But yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's nice. So I did no modifications at all to the AK itself. Well, actually, no. That's not true. This is a WASR10. So if you notice, that's not a 10-round mag in there anymore. And also it's not welded on anymore. And I put the slant on it. So, bullshit. But you know what else? I bought this AMD65 shit for I think like $40. Came with like 2 grips, the thing. But the big boy, the folding stock, now that is a problem. If anyone knows anything about AKs versus AMD65s, which I have been figuring out during my research, you'll know. Doesn't fit. It's not even made to fit. Like, this is a completely different setup. The AMD65 uses a completely different setup. But he says, big butts. I am in the process of modifying this. If you know anything about this, you know that would not normally slide in there. And I've got it, so it's pretty decent. I mean, I'm hoping that this is not the concern. Focus, you fuck. Piece of shit. Focus! Jesus Christ. I'm hoping that this is not the concern, What I want is the tolerance on the sides, which if you notice, if you find it, slide it in there. Hey, look! Tolerance on that's pretty nice. So I figure I get this set up, maybe go in there. It slides in, and maybe using a tap and die, get it to hold on. Though the only issue is, even though I have made it so that this now the tang now fits, ooh, we need to go deeper. And the only thing I'm concerned about is, this little spring, catch in there. I'm worried about damaging that. I'm thinking that if I get it down to about that level, a nice little cutaway, it should be fine. I don't think there's any... maybe those pins. I don't know. I need to look more into these to see if I shave it down a certain level, will it fuck something up? I'm hoping the answer is no, because honestly can't think of too much on this that would actually fuck up. If I shaved it down, I don't even know what this is. I think it's just holding shit together. It's probably just like just a press fit thing. So if I shave it down and it's touching that, is it going to fuck this up? Do I need to get an arc welder? Who knows? But it does not change the fact that I now have an AMD65 handguard that fits on my AK, which is awesome. Of course, I'm going to have to fix that fact that it slides around a little bit, maybe I might add some material or something in there. If I get an arc welder, which I'm planning to for another project, or I don't know. But all I know is I'm not touching this. This guy's gonna stay as well. I mean, it's not gonna stay stock, but it's gonna stay AK compatible, not making it AMD65 compatible. Anywho, that's the cool shit I'm up to. Goodbye.